So this question says, a plant that bears colored flowers is most likely to be pollinated by A. Water, B. Wind, C. Man, and D. Insects. So they're basically asking us what's the physical characteristic of a plant. They're asking us what the plant will be pollinated by based on the physical characteristics. So we're going to be looking at the options one after the other. So for the first one, we'll put them together. Option A and option B, which is wind and water. So they can be dull in conspicuous. So plants pollinated by wind and water, they don't have to be bright and colorful, because wind and water, they are like abiotic, they don't have life in them. They're not going to look at, oh, this flower is more beautiful than this. So the most common characteristics of plants pollinated by wind and water, they are usually dull, inconspicuous. That means they are not too obvious, they are not out there like that. So for option C, which is man, basically by choice. So as the higher animals, we have choice. So whether or not the plant is dull or is brightly colored, we can decide that, oh, we want to artificially pollinate this plant. So for man, it could be by choice. It could be dull, it could be fragrant, it could not have any smell at all, it could be brightly colored, whatsoever. So for option D, insects. So insects are attracted to brightly colored flowers that have nice smells, they are fragrant, they are brightly colored, their leaves are. So the answer to this question is option D. So when a plant has colored flowers, it will be most likely pollinated by an insect.